If your Realme phone is showing mobile network not available, let's solve this problem step by step. Step 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. Step 2. Restart your phone. Step 3. Reset network settings. Step 4. Open your SIM card and clean it with a rubber or eraser. Hopefully, the network problem on your Realme phone will be resolved. If it still shows network not available, please contact customer care.